It's going.
Okay, so today I'm going to be explaining the importance of place values when performing operations in multiplication and division. So what place value is, in our decimal system, the value of a digit depends on the place or position in the number. Each place has a value of 10 times the place to its right. So what's this place value right here?
Ones,
And this one?
tens, hundreds, thousands,
Okay, now in this number?
ones, tens, hundreds.
Okay, so in each place has a value of 10 times the place to its right. So what's 1 times 10?
10,
And what's the next place value?
7,
Okay, what's 10 times 10?
100,
And what's the next place value?
100,
Okay, and 100 times 10?
1,000,
And the next place value?
1,000,
Thousands, good. Okay, so what does this 4 represent in 347? 40s, yes. And in 3,470, what does the 4 represent?
400,
400. Okay, so why is it that this 4 represents 40, but this 4 represents 400, but they're both 4s? Because in this number, the 4 is in the tens place value. So what would 4 times 10 be?
40,
40. And in this number, it's in the hundreds. So 40 times 100. No, 4 times 100.
400,
400. Therefore, making this one represent 400. If we didn't have place value, we wouldn't know that this 4 represents 40 and this 4 represents 400. So place value is important because without the place value, the value of the number is unknown. So we know that 47 is 47, right? And we know that 470 means 470, right? Okay, if we didn't have place value, we wouldn't know the difference between 47 and 470. We wouldn't know that 470 is a lot bigger than 47. So let's interpret this with multiplication and division. So in multiplication, if you're multiplying 723 times 52, so we have to multiply, what is 2 times 3?
6,
Okay. 2 times 2?
4,
2 times 7?
14.
Okay, now when we start with the 5 and we're multiplying, why do we put this 0 here? Why?
We put the 0 there to tell us the place value and that we're working in the tens place, so when we're in the tens place we add a 0.
Yes, we have to put the 0 here because we need to know that we're no longer in the ones place. When we are multiplying the 2 is in the ones place, so we start in the ones place. Now we're multiplying out the 5, which is in the tens place, so we have to make sure we're in the right place value when we're starting, so that's why we put the 0. Alrighty? So in division, it has the same concept, but you don't add the 0. So, would you multiply, when you're dividing 21 by 294, do we start here? Do we try to see how many times 21 fits in 294 at first?
No, we
No.
start.
You shorten it, right? So, how many times does 21 go into 29?
1.
Okay, do I put the 1 right here?
No.
Why not?
Because the 21 is in the tens column.
Yes, 21 is in the tens because there's 2 digits. So we're not seeing how many times 21 goes into 2, so we don't start in the ones. We start in the tens because we're doing the